Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn online jobs from home step by step. Start by mapping your skills and interests to remote job types and set realistic weekly goals to stay focused. Build a basic routine that includes learning, applying, and practicing new tasks daily. Set up or polish a profile on at least 2 freelance sites and tailor it to one niche to attract your first clients quickly and confidently. Choose a single skill that aligns with demand and spend focused time mastering it through short, practical lessons. Practice by creating real projects you can show to clients, even if you start with free or low-cost work. Track progress, gather feedback, and iterate on your approach so your portfolio grows with measurable results. Prioritize consistency over perfection and aim to deliver value in every sample you create to build momentum. When applying, focus on short proposals that highlight relevant experience and results for each client's needs. Start with competitive pricing and raise rates as you collect positive reviews and repeat clients. Use niche forums, social media groups, and direct outreach to find leads, and always follow up politely if you don't hear back. Track applications and refine your pitch based on what gets responses so you can optimize outreach efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.